solar panels on your roof. We will install them for free. We've all seen the ads. Is it a scam? No, it's not a scam. But here's how it works. Number one, if you go to a contractor that's going to charge you for the installation, you're going to own the system. Now, the contractors that are going to install the system and then they are going to own it, then they're going to lease it to you. So when they say no cost for installation, sure, they're going to give you all of the equipment and they're going to lease it to you. So in that scenario, you're going to have your power bill, which is $300. We're making up numbers. Then your lease agreement is going to be $300. So you're not going to pay your power company. You're going to pay your lease for $300. So that has no effect towards you. And then it comes down to the second part of this, which is going to be the power agreements back to that buy the power back to the power company, and then you're going to have the 30% rebate from the federal government. Now, if they own it, they're getting the power incentives. They're getting the power rebate, not you. And when you sell your house, they'll get full retail on it. You might as well pay full retail on the beginning and not fall for anything that has to do with, I'm going to do it for free. Nothing's free.